We're walking down a road in one of Scotland's many rainforests. It's just been raining and all the ground is fresh and damp.
See the sort of moist ground. A bit rocky here. Lots of browny, dead, brown, green sort of colours of the forest in the ground here.
When I'm looking up, I can just see years and years of growth. All these trees, all these stems represent someone who passed. But when you look out, it's not just the forest, it's a whole new life. I know you can't see it, but it's like a summer's dream.
Small streams, the side of a path, walking no sign, just running alone.
There's a small trickle running down, pools gathering every so often. Everywhere's muddy and wet and green, even though it's not summer, there's still lots of greens and different colours. You just have to look a little closer.
The sound of the water dropping is peaceful, just like rain on a night in the evening in a cave.
This stream is flowing down. It's flowing down from the top of a very tall mountain. Its end is here. It ends, and the end is me.
I've just lain birdseed all along a mossy branch. I've walked all the way up this hill. I've set up a small camp, and right now I can hear all the little birds just kind of chatting away. It smells really nice because the moss is quite damp and it lets off this kind of very clear air, I'll say. I'm standing under a tree right now, and along its roots it's covered in moss, and it's got hints of orange to it, it's got hints of blue to it, it's got dark green, it's got lime green, it's got yellows in it. It's really beautiful, and the sun's currently just shining on it, and you can see that it's just rained because it's so like damp, and you can hear the birds. They're really loud. I can see, I think, one of them. It's very cute. I can't tell what it is. But the tree's towering branches as well, they're just they're dropping big blobs of water onto the mossy ground. I currently don't know how I'm going to get down because it is quite a steep hill. Oh, I see one of the birds. There we go. Hello.